To remove the milk nozzle for cleaning, begin by turning off the brewer, then remove the drip tray and waste bin. Pull down on each side of the nozzle cover while sliding it forward to remove it. The milk nozzle is behind the coffee nozzle. Pull it down to remove. Then remove the bottom spout for cleaning and sanitization. Once you have cleaned and sanitized the milk nozzle components, reassemble and push the milk nozzle back into position behind the coffee nozzle. Slide the nozzle cover back on. When the nozzle cover is almost fully slid in, push up on the front while sliding it back to fully seat the nozzle cover. Call us at 888-CUP-BREW and select option 5 with any questions. Thank you.